In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate text in LibreOffice Impress. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your titles and captions appear, move, and exit in a clean, professional way using the built-in animation tools. First, launch LibreOffice Impress. You can open an existing presentation if you've already started one, or create a new blank presentation if you're beginning from scratch. If you're starting fresh, add a slide and type a bit of sample text so you have something to work with. Now, click to select the text box you want to animate. If you only want to animate a portion of the text, highlight that specific range. If you want the entire block to animate together, keep the whole text box selected. Look to the right side of your screen for the sidebar. In that sidebar, find and click the animation icon. It looks like a star. If you don't see the sidebar at all, turn it on from the menu by going to View, then Sidebar. You can also open the animation tools from Slideshow, then Custom Animation. This brings up the animation pane where all your settings live. With your text still selected, click the plus or Add button in the animation pane. You'll be prompted to choose the type of effect. Entrance controls how the text appears on the slide, with options like fly in or fade in for a subtle, polished look. Emphasis changes how text behaves while it's visible. Think of effects like changing the font color to draw attention. Exit determines how text leaves the slide when you're done with it. And motion paths let your text travel along a path, such as a straight line or curve, which is great for guiding the viewer's eye. Pick the category and effect that match your presentation's tone and keep readability in mind. Less is often more. Once an effect is applied, fine-tune it in the same pane. Use Start to Control when the animation plays. On click waits for your input during the slideshow, with previous starts at the same time as the element above it. After previous begins right after the previous effect finishes, which is perfect for automatic sequences. Adjust duration to set how fast or slow the effect runs. Longer durations feel smoother, while shorter ones feel snappier. Add a delay. If you want a brief pause before the animation begins, helpful for staggering multiple items without extra clicks. That's it. Launch Impress. Select your text, open the animation pane, add the right effect, and refine it with start, duration, and delay. Experiment thoughtfully, keep your pacing consistent, and your animated text will look clear, modern, and engaging.